Hey guys, this is Nicholas. This is gonna be weird because this is the first time I'm doing an unboxing video on my bed. The reason is that I'm still homeless and I'm still hopping from hotel to hotel. And in this hotel room, the best place and probably the only place to do an unboxing video is on this queen size bed. Last month in August, I was working remotely from Hawaii and I saw so many people using GoPro capturing videos of bikini girls on beaches. I was like, God damn it, I want one too. But I didn't want to buy the GoPro 9 because it's been out for almost a year. So I waited and waited, praying that the GoPro 10 would come out soon. So finally, last week, couple days ago, my prayer was answered. GoPro 10 is finally here and I just received it today. This one is the GoPro 10 plus accessories bundle, retail price at $660 before tax. You can save $210 if you add a 1-year GoPro subscription, which includes unlimited cloud storage. That effectively brings down the retail price to $450 before tax. And in California, adding the sales tax is roughly $500. So to me, it's a pretty decent deal. I'm super excited and I can't wait to do an unboxing video to share with you guys what's inside. First of all, let's change the camera angle so that you don't have to look at my annoying face. Next, let's go ahead and destroy this shipping box. Ladies and gentlemen, I present you the 2021 GoPro Hero Black 10. Next, let's remove the plastic wrap as well. Damn, I just realized that I threw away the SD card because it is attached to the plastic wrap. Let me put it back. Alright, so this is the front view of the whole thing. This is a side view. This is the back of the box. Here's the view of the other side. And here is the bottom. Next, let's also remove this beautiful paper wrap. We can do that by peeling off the paper strip at the bottom. We are done with this guy, so let's just throw it away. GoPro is a cheap ass. The included SD card is only 32 GB. Let's also throw this piece of shit away. Alright, this is a real deal that we're gonna focus on. Inside this black camera box, we have this instruction to remind you to update your camera before using it. We also have a quick start guide with some simple diagrams on one side and some GoPro stickers on the other side. Last but not least, we have this thick product and safety instruction manual that no one on earth will give a shit about. Next, let's go through all the hardware we have inside the box. First of all, we have the GoPro 10 camera, which looks exactly like the GoPro 9. We also have a shorty which is made of plastic that you can attach to the bottom of the GoPro, and it can also act as a tripod. This bundle comes with a spare battery, that means altogether you have 2 batteries. You also have a USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable, but it doesn't include a charging adapter. Not a big deal to me because I have a bunch of them. I had the GoPro 8 2 years ago, but the battery life sucks, that's why I returned it. Hopefully the GoPro 10 will not disappoint me. If you have the GoPro 9, I don't think you need to upgrade it this year. Alright, finally we have 6 pieces of mounting hardware. I don't think we need this paper support for the box anymore, so let's just throw them away. And the last piece of hardware is of course this camera box. Alright, here's everything in this bundle. Second thought, a 32 GB SD card is still a SD card, So let's just put it back. So all this cost me less than $500. I think it's a pretty good deal. I'm gonna do a deep dive into the camera in the next couple days to test its video quality. I'm also gonna do a battery drain test to see whether I get the same overheating issue like I got from the GoPro 8. Alright guys, before we go, let me just show my annoying face again. If you are new here and if you enjoy this type of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you are getting any value from this video, even just a tiny little bit, I'll greatly appreciate if you can give me a big thumbs up below. Thank you very much for watching and thank you very much for your support as always. Please stay safe and healthy. I will see you in my next video. Before then, bye for now.